to
you.
dear Nandi.
I
Can you say happy birthday?
happy birthday,
Fernando.
Fernando.
Say happy birthday, sweet boy.
No, you do that foolishness na yun.
Is Nandi sweet boy or pangit?
He's good looking. I love you.
Salbahe ka.
I know. Don't say that.
Mabaho si Nandi.